In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can share your TikTok profile. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So guys, in this method here, you will be able to get your TikTok profile link and you can send it through Messenger and all things like that. So I will show you how to do that in today's video. So first of all, go ahead, open up your TikTok app, and then come over to your profile. And then once you're on your profile, guys, what you need to do from here is click on the three dots in the top right corner of your profile. Click on that, and then as you can see under account, there's an option there for share profile. Go ahead, select that, and then you'll get a couple of options here. So you can send it through message, WhatsApp, SMS, you can copy links, send it through Facebook, Twitter, email, and other. So if you want to go ahead, copy your link, what you can do is click on copy link, and then what you'll do is you'll get a link that you'll be able to go ahead and put anywhere on the internet to go ahead and promote your TikTok profile. So that's how you go ahead and share your profile, guys. Super simple, super easy. So if this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.